Well, hello everyone. I wanted to go ahead and put together a video announcement, as it were, for this chapter on perception, as some people have had questions on how this week's assignment works. If you look at this module on perception, first of all, you're going to find a number of lectures that I have put together. Now, those take time and a lot of work, so you need to watch them because they're part, they're part of the assignment and they're part of the quiz. So stop the lecture video. It's a YouTube video. There's a number of them. I try to make them short. I've also put in some examples as well. But if you need to take notes, stop the video, write things down, scroll back, whatever need be done. In addition to a quiz, we have an interesting assignment this week that basically requires you to look over the material in the lecture video, especially on perception by exception. If you don't know what that means, you got to watch the lecture to find out. And then once you've seen that, there is an assignment where you need to upload some examples of perception by exception that you might see in your community, here in town, wherever it is, related to our class, Consumer Psych. Very, very important that you do so. So please turn around. If you have questions, email me about how to upload things. That's fine. But I think most people are pretty good at doing that. And don't forget to give me an explanation with whatever you upload as far as a video or picture and things of that sort. It's not enough just to send it to me with the title. If you do, you're not going to get the points, and I don't want that to happen. Okay? So please pay attention. We now have lecture videos. I even have some video examples of things, such as movement and stuff like that. You'll see what I'm talking about. Take the quiz, and don't forget about the perception by exception video assignment and so on. Guys, keep up the good work. We'll talk at you soon.